very clear night from a UFO hotspot that I found. It's fascinating, it's incredible, it's unbelievable, and I'm working on making a deck of cards that opens up to all the videos and all the photographs that I take from this to share it with anybody who wants to see this and watch it on their smartphones and flat screen TVs. It's going to be a deck of cards with a QR code that uploads with the free app to watch the videos. I mean, look at this. Is that something or what? That's what you call something. I'm going to post this one on YouTube. This is an extreme slow motion, so you can see every detail of what we're seeing that the naked eye can't pick up in normal time. I have no clue if this is going to be in color when I post it. It's possible because I had one that was 22 minutes and 39 seconds from a video that was a minute and 40 seconds, filmed October 2019. This video was filmed October 12th, last night. They always seem to do something different every night. This is cool. See how it's fuzzy and it's out of focus? Now watch what happens. It seems to put on a show. I don't know if they're doing it on purpose or they're just what they're doing. They're doing what they're doing. That's cloudy. See, it's more focused now. It's moving around. It's flashing. Look at it spin and change colors and shapes, just floating in the sky.